Hello everybody. On the last video we used the K5 Lishi to pick and decode this 2021 Kia K5 lock, and we're going to go ahead and we'll cut the key here by code from the code that we got from the Lishi. It's the KK12 blade, and we're doing it on the Dolphin 2 here. Hopefully there's not too bad of a glare where you can't see the screen here. So what we're going to do is go ahead and go to all keys lost. And let's see here, we're going to go to Kia, Asian car, and we'll enter the key code in that we got from the Lishi. And if you want to see this lock Lishi, just check out the previous video. It should be number 597 is the previous video. And the key code we got was D like David 0625. So we'll go and we'll punch that up here. D like David 0625. Hit OK, and it's going to tell us what jaw we need and where to put the key. So it's B clamp and second position. So I'm going to go ahead and just drop down to the clamp here, and we'll go ahead and get the key clamped up. So using the M5 clamp here. If you don't have an M5 clamp like on a Dolphin 1 or something, I'd recommend getting one. The M5 clamp is it's nice here because you can get the A and the B jaw without having to swap clamps. And now that it's clamped up, just going to hit OK and just going to hit cut. And it's going to go ahead and just cut our first side here. All right, this first side cut here. Let's go ahead and get all our brass chips off of it, and we'll flip it over and cut side number 2. So hit OK for cutting complete, cut key, and cut. And it's telling me the battery's low, so I'm going to hit power up to it. All right, got power here, so go ahead and cut it now. All right, there's side 2 cut. So go ahead and just get the brass chips off of it here, and then we'll go ahead and we'll test our key and make sure that it works. And works perfectly. So there's the K5 Lishi that decoded the lock, and then the Dolphin 2 here cutting the key. And the video should be floating on screen here if you do want to see this lock actually Lishi'd and decoded. The video's on screen here, or it's just the previous video to this one on my list of videos. So all I got for this one. Until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.